Hi there viewers, how are you all doing? I hope to see you after this short intro.
Yo, yo,
Like,
yo,
subscribe,
Richmond,
share,
Electro,
and comment in the section below.
I mean, Wild
I
Richmond,
am Richmond
Electro is my name. And
Please feel free
if you don't subscribe to
if you
our
are new.
channel, then I promise you,
Check it
the
out.
spiders are going to crawl on your body. So if anyone virus on your body, make sure you subscribe. Enjoy.
Friends, families, and their subscribers and new YouTube watchers to my channel, feel free. Today we can talk about restore days of God. And I'm Richmond Overcomer. Please like and share so others can also hear the message, and subscribe so you won't miss out, and I would appreciate it if you click that bell. And let's go to the topic. Haggai chapter 2 says that God is busy shaking up earth and the sea, the dry lands, and all the kingdoms, and the precious and the gold and silver that is on the other side. You will fill it with you will fill your side with all those things. So you hear other preachers are saying on YouTube and also in church that your former days that were better are not yet over. God will restore them in the manner that you've never expected before. Just like book of Job. Job lost all his possessions. Job lost his children. Job lost his wife. Job lost his stock, his farm, and all the pleasures he was having, but he got double, except for the wife. The wife he got back in full health, or maybe he remarried a new wife, but the children was doubled, and everything he possesses was doubled, including his servants and camels and donkeys and goats and so on. So God will restore, just like He restored to Job, and to some of you, He has already restored or busy restoring because you have lost best relationships or best marriage or the best car or whatever that was best to you. But look now what God is doing to you. Are you not enjoying how God is restoring what you have lost? So that's basically the message of today. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you in the previous upcoming brand new videos. And I hope you enjoy my new intro.